My name is Rashid Fouad. I'm from America, California. And yeah, I'm here on the second day of the Raqqa operation. Here with the heavy weapons to bore. And yeah, we're going to make sure the Red Star, the Yepagay, and Payday and Gassaday flies over Raqqa. Oh, it'll be a cinch. No time. Get there by Christmas.
My name is Bakur Berthonan, and I'm from Denmark. And I've come here to join the Yepagay and to join this operation to Raqqa. It's a really important operation because Raqqa is the main city in Syria, and with the whole operation in Mosul, also it might break the back of Daesh, hopefully. And I think it's going to be quite difficult because the first stretch to Raqqa, a lot of villages that might be easier because the Daesh is pulling back. But Raqqa itself is an Arab city. It's very big and a lot of support in Raqqa for Daesh, and it's the last bastion for Daesh. So they're not going to give it up easily. And I'm part of a heavy weapon group here, and we are waiting right now to go out. Part of our group is out there at the front line, and we are waiting for a call to go out there.